Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Frank and thank you for tuning in. I know it's been a while, but today we're looking at something very exciting. In the Spring Loaded event a couple weeks back, Apple released a whole bunch of goodies for the spring lineup. And today we're actually looking at this. This is the brand new Magic Keyboard that released alongside with the new generation of iPad Pros. It looks very similar to the last generation with some minor adjustment to fit the new dimensions of this generations of iPad, and what's more, they added a white color. I saw that on the commercial when they released on the event and I got really excited. It reminded me a lot of the white MacBooks that they had about a decade ago, and I really loved those designs and I loved the design language, and they just looked really nostalgic for me, and I thought they offered a quite unique pop of brightness in this iPad Pro lineup, and I was really excited. And I saw today that they do have available in the Apple stores, so I decided to go get one and take a look and see how it looks in real life, and is it really as pretty as what's shown on the pictures and on the videos online. Very classic Apple unboxing experience. Got a pull tab right here, and here we go. No, that's a little less satisfying than I expected, but well. Ta-da! Wow. Gotta lift that up to take it out of the box. Ooh. It does got a heft to it, and that's the box. Camera, got the Apple logo embossed in the back, camera cutout right here. All right. Got some paperwork in here in between the keyboard and the back panel. Oh, wow. It's a very clean look. Oh, I really do like it. And in the middle right here, it is silver instead of the darker gray aluminum color that comes with the... So yeah, this is it. Very simple unboxing. In the next video, we will try it with a brand new M1 iPad Pro and give you a feedback of how it feels. So far, I think the design and function would be very similar. I do not expect anything out of the ordinary for it, but I'll provide further feedback in the next videos. See you soon.